Hi there, this is Chen Ming here. I just want to thank each and every one of you for helping me to reach 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. The reason I'm sharing this video to you today is to motivate you in your studies, especially for those who just gotten your A-level exam grades in the past 2 weeks. If you have gotten your desired grade, you should take time to celebrate with your friends and family. And let's say if you did not get the grade that you want, you should not give up because great things take time and effort. It almost took me 10 months to gain from 2 subscribers all the way to 1000 subscribers now. Let's say if I give up halfway, I will not be able to reach this milestone at all. We just have to learn from our mistakes and think positive. So just fail fast and learn fast. With this attitude, you will definitely be able to bounce back stronger from any challenges that you face in your life, not just in your studies. And lastly, for those of you who will be taking your A-level exams in October, continue to work hard, but at the same time, make sure that you study smart as well. I wish you good luck and all the best in your upcoming exams. Thank you, and I will see you again then. Bye bye.